Hi, my name is Jefferson Chacon. I'm going to talk about the effects of technology and environment. I'm going to the newspaper, the New York Times, in the past half century. Air and water pollution have plummeted in the world. From my point of views, the positive effects of technology are electricity cars they don't contribute to the pollution and they allow that people can move in the city. Other example like Other example is the electricity from clean energy line solar panels is a good example that energy technology can do good things on its environment. However, the negative effects so exist, like the ruins that accumulate in the sea. Then ruins generate contaminate water and the of millions of fish and animals that exist in the sea. And and because of that, the oceans are warming and getting more acidic. Warming, I heard that government humans can learn about the mistakes made in the past. I in would like to see in the future a world more clean and me and we the animals can breathe safe. I hope that we can make technology generate less contaminate. I think that the good thing about the virus COVID-19 is that the environment is taking and brain of humans and we going to see that for example in the oceans and the rivers will be more clean and we going to see animals safe. I hope that more governments change and motivation to keep safe our world and they can do that if we recycle more. I hope that the people can make environment to that. We have to keep safe our world and the future is in our hands. Now yours think in a good future for your family and children. Thank you.